Hello there. What do you get when you cross a dyslexic, an insomniac, and an agnostic? I really said that stupid. Hold on, let me try again. What do you get when you cross a dyslexic, an insomniac, and an agnostic? Someone who lays awake at night wondering if there is a dog. A pirate walks into a bar with steering wheel on his pants, a peg leg, and a parrot on his shoulder. The bartender says, "Hey, you've got a steering wheel on your pants." The pirate says, "Arrrr, I know, it's driving me nuts." I saw a wino eating grapes. I told him, "You gotta wait." What's brown and sticky? A stick. What does a pepper do when it's angry? It gets jalapeño face. What's a foot long and slippery? A slipper. Two goldfish are in a tank. One looks to the other and says, "Do you know how to drive this thing?" Two soldiers are in a tank. One looks at the other and says, "As a scarecrow, people say I'm outstanding in my field. But hey, it's in my genes." A man is walking in the desert with his horse and his dog. When the dog says, "I can't do this. I need water," the man says, "I didn't know dogs could talk." The horse says, "Me neither."